Yeah. RIP Jabba. Yeah. Have you ever in your living years dared to imagine what it's like to put a toe in the shoes of a giant? Scary as it is, I bet the feeling is vibrant. Respect in full, praise is due to the legends like Jabulani, Tsambo, nele boss of a Rambo. Chubby hot man, so sweet like Tsambo. Paint on the canvas, the story continues. For the sake of the culture, also got to contribute. Ketswa Hole now, still got a long way to go. I will never stop till I'm certified the third pro. Ketswa Hole now, you can believe it or not. When we were spitting rhymes, me on the corner spot. Ketswa Hole na kana go ya di cassette to get the song back. No sharper rewind the pen from jotting down the lyrics in between the class test and be the first to finish to scribble behind the desk. Been at it before. World Cup year 2010 to make a name for myself. Twanela give again. Takes a real man to prove you one of the best. King Kong attitude, dang the God in your chest. Ketswa Hole na one TV appearance. That thing taught me about being consistent. The game never been fair since the senarefe ho tekela anything o tshwanela ho ema. Ketswa Hole na discovering fake friends who ain't doing it right. Haters should be sitting here. This is music to my ears as I'm about to break dance. Ketswa Hole na performing the taverning hale qeta ho nwa di bigi kopa le mameleng ke a bona hore ha se target ya ka marketing e kene ya tswa CD tse ke pusha di lyrics. Been at it for long, you can check my CV. Ketswa Hole na I can go on and on. Renga di risky le dice le nantse re le gola.
Ketswa Hole